What if the best AI agent that you will ever use isn't an app that you have to open? It's not even a tab. It's not a dashboard, and it's not another login that you'll probably forget about in a week. What if it's already sitting inside the app that you're using right now? Be it Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, Microsoft Teams, just waiting for you to talk to it. That's that simple. We're talking about Claw by Runable. And by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why exactly every other AI tool makes you work so hard to get anything done. So here's the problem with almost every AI agent on the market right now. You have to go and find it. You have to open up a tab, log into a dashboard that you barely remember how to use, and then you have to re-explain who you are, what you want, and what good actually looks like every single time. You have to learn its language, prompt engineering, special commands, formatting tricks, just to get normal results. And the second you close that tab, it forgets you even exist. There's no memory, there's no context, there's no momentum. So you end up with this powerful piece of technology that really in practice feels like you are doing more work than what you would have been doing if you just did the task yourself. Now, in all honesty, that's not really the definition of a tool that fits into your lifestyle or your routine. That's a tool that you have to rearrange your life around to compensate for. Now, Claw completely flips this around. Instead of you going to the AI actually comes directly to you. It is directly inside all of the apps that you use. Telegram, Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, iMessage, the list goes on. You don't have to open up anything new. All you have to do is tag Runable in a conversation the same way that you tag any other coworker and say what it is that you need. Things like create a PDF presentation for our board meeting next week. Claw will then pull the context, draft it, wait for your approval, and then generate the slides. There's no back and forth, no dashboards. It's simple. You can even have it generate an invitation poster for a dinner party or make a banner for a game night on a Friday of every week. Now, if that's not enough, here's the part that actually makes it feel like real magic. Claw actually learns you, your habits, your preferences, your context. The more you use it, the less you have to explain to it. It also doesn't stop when you close the app. Claw actually runs on its own in a private cloud computer 24/7. This means you can use prompts like set up an always-on automation, such as design a chapter-by-chapter course on some of the latest current affairs on the internet, and you can have this run on its own every single day. No prompting required, no prompts to engineer, no complications, no dashboards to learn, just natural conversation in the app that you already use and trust. This does real multi-step work while you're literally doing anything else that you want. That's not an upgrade to how AI agents work. That's a completely different category entirely. So I've put the link in the description down below if you want to get started with Runable's Claw. Go ahead and click on it and check out how amazing it is. Now, let me show you exactly how to set it up. So if you've used the link in the description down below, you will find yourself right over here. And the very first thing we're going to do is jump over to the left-hand side and we are going to click on Claw. Now, this process is very, very easy. The next step over here is to click on the Connect Claw button. Once you have clicked on this, it'll give you a dialog where you will be able to connect a bunch of different communication platforms, including Telegram, Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, and iMessage. If you are looking for additional assistance, you can go ahead and use their README file just to get some additional information. I'm going to use Slack as an example and click on Connect. I currently use Slack within my team, so all we have to do now is give it permission and make sure that it connects to the correct workspace. So let us go ahead. Over here you'll see workspace. You're going to just choose the correct workspace. You can also see over here that it shows you what app permissions are being requested, and then you can go and click on allow, and within the next few seconds you'll be able to actually see that you are connected on Slack with Runable. Right, so we've got agent mode and ask mode. So what we want to do is we want to just we want to keep it as agent mode, and then the additional channels. So what we can do is we can have it join every single public channel within the workspace, or we can pick which channels Runable should join. So if you are using Runable for different areas within your workspace, you can choose the select channels. But for now, I'm going to just have them available within every single channel in the workspace. We now are in Slack, and as you can see, once you have clicked on connect over here, you will then be able to see this message and this message. Basically, it's introducing itself and it's showing you exactly how to use it. So in your chat, all you have to do is type in @Runable, and it'll allow you to communicate with it. It now has access to everything within this space on Slack. So let's go ahead and we are going to say, at Runable, we are having a team meeting at 1 p.m. After the meeting, I want to play a short 15-minute game to loosen up after a long week. I need you to create a light, easy, and fun game for us to play. And quite simply, all we have to do is say, send that message, and over here you will see immediately within the thread, it has created some games for us. Okay, so here it is. Now, before it continues, it needs to just line up a few things. So it's asking a few questions. How many people are on the team? And will everyone be joining from their own laptop or phone? Or will it be one shared screen? Is it a remote or in person? And if we have any game style preferences, so whatever it's giving as examples, we can choose from that. And basically, all you have to do here is go ahead and reply. Now, as you can see, I have replied. I have just said that we are 5 people. We're all on our own devices. We're doing this remotely, and we want to do a tech trivia. Now, as you can see here, I did also, again, in reply, just tag Runable again, because if you don't tag Runable in each message, then Runable will not respond. Now, you'll see here that it has built a game for me. It has told me everything that it's done. It is now given me a response. It's also told me how the game actually works and how long it'll take more or less to play. And here it is. There is a link to the game quickly and easily. So if this is really changing how you think about AI agents, do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It really genuinely does help this video reach more people who are stuck doing things the hard way. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, what if we want to build something a little bit more serious? I'm going to go ahead now. And because we are a team that works within the creative space, I want to create 3 video topics for our new technology YouTube channel. And I need 3 SEO optimized titles. I also need tags, and I need thumbnails to match each one of these titles. Now, again, all we have to do is click on send. You can see that I've tagged Runable in over here. And within the next few seconds, you'll start to see that it is being created. Now, all you have to do is click on view thread. And you'll see on the right-hand side over here that is actually starting to do what you've asked it to do. So over here, again, what it needs to know is a few things. So go through what it has said and answer the questions. Make sure that you are typing clicking on Runable, and go ahead and give it the information that it needs. And as you can see now, I have replied, given it all the information that it needs, and it now says thinking. The agent is running, and within the next few seconds, you will have everything that you require. And here we go. Now we have our reply. So we have the plan, and we have our titles, and then we have the tags. And here, as we come down, we'll see a description for our thumbnails. And don't you know it? Here are our thumbnails. So this is the first thumbnail over here. Okay, and here's the second, and here's the third. Now, of course, if you need to make any changes, you can go ahead and instruct Claw to do so. And if you need to start a new task, you can go ahead and you can do it right over here. Now, this is in one of my channels. However, you can do this in your direct messages. You can do this in any one of your other channels. You can do it in any one of your spaces. So wherever it is that you need to use Claw, you can do so. And as I mentioned before, you can connect Slack. You can connect iMessage. You can connect Microsoft Teams. There are tons of plugins here which you can use Claw with instead of running over here and creating a new chat and having everything distributed everywhere. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, the best AI agent isn't the one that has the most features that is buried inside a long list or a settings menu. It's actually the one that disappears into your workflow so completely that it just feels like it's getting things done faster. And that's how Claw is built. That's what it was made to do. There's no new app to learn, no dashboards to babysit. It's just you, the app that you already use, and an AI agent that is actually keeping up with you. Now, if you're ready to stop working around tools and start working with one that really works around you, the link is in the description to get started with Claw in Runable, and you can go ahead, click on it, connect your favorite apps, and see what it's like to finally have an agent that fits into your life instead of demanding a place in its life. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.